Good afternoon. I am going to talk about the your application and taking into account the positive and negative aspects of the application, as well as one recommendation to improve it, and some tips on cell phones. Okay. Uber is a technology company that facilitates through its application that private drivers find people who need safe and reliable trips. The user connects with a private driver who takes him to the destination of his choice. Okay, below I will give two positive aspects of the application. First, the application allows you to monitor the trip. For example, it allows you to see where the car is coming from and how long it takes to arrive. Second qualification, the user can assess the service in the system, and the driver can observe the quality of the service provided. Okay. Below, I will give two negative aspects of the application. First, coverage is not clear that what type of coverage you have in the event of a traffic accident. Second, false identification. The driver must be identified in the system, but some drivers subcontract to others so that the car generates more money. Okay, now I will give one recommendation to improve it. The application must improve. A very important aspect is the waiting time for a driver. Must be shorter because the application assigns driver who is very far away, and therefore the waiting time increases. Finally, I will give one technological advice on cell phones. Okay, having a high memory in a mobile phone means a high storage capacity. The higher the number, the more data and files can be written to the device without loss of performance or lack of space. Okay, finish. Thank you for attention. Bye.